Hello everyone, welcome to the InfoComm 2026. This is Hao from Goldlyck LED, which is a LED manufacturer in over 30 years. And today I will introduce some new technologies about our factories. Look at this one. This is the latest version of MIP 0.9. And this is a 135 inches, the all-in-one, which is foldable and can up and down. It's very convenient to store and you can very convenient to move it. Now I can show you how it works. And now follow this way. For now, it can be folded and down. This is a size we can push it into the flat case. And our website is www.com, goldlyckled.com. You can visit our website and see more in products.